Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways. The first one requires a secret code and the second is with the usage of the settings. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with the IMEI number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way. So let's enter the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and now tap on the status. Here we have to enter IMEI information, and as you can see, we've got the IMEI number of this device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.